Assalamualaikum friends, here is 5000 plus business card design mega pack, 35 and 90 plus files of CDR for Code Ultra and 1330 plus, and here is PSD and this PSD for Photoshop, but these are protected password in this web. And here is my Facebook page, join me, and notification for Telegram channel, subscribe me. Okay, first check preview. 240 plus preview file, CDR files without preview. Here is 3600 total file. In not CDR file, I think here is 40 plus. Here is 500. Next is 1000. Next is PSD. Here is the Spanish language, I don't know. Black and white business. Here is car. Clean. Corporate. Here is 157 cards. You can edit in Photoshop. Creative. With font files. Design. In vitro. Sorry, PNG good. Image size 1000. Control S for saving. Create clipping mask and then Control S. Now our photo is here. You can change everything, I know. You can do it. Jones with color overlay. Depend your own choice, you can change easily. Here is 16 file. Vertical. Mini list, same thing here. Models. Other. Here is 26 file, clean. Model agency. Now 10 files preview set. person. Personal. And here is a font file. Next is photography, professional, corporate, school model, yoga, okay, and survey, visiting card. I think these are different. Here is PSD Moco file, and you see now we need an image. For example, like this one, size is 1000. Drag here. Now enter, Control S, and you see our design is here. Same thing on box and this one. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app or password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.